Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to open a Robinhood account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply download your Robinhood app from your App Store or your Play Store. So once you simply tap on your App Store or Play Store, you can simply find an option to download it. Once you have done this, you need to now simply tap on sign up or get started to get started. Enter your first and last name, email address, and create a strong password, and you will use this login to access your Robinhood in future. So now, after doing this, you need to simply enter your residential address, your social security number, date of birth, citizenship, and your phone number. Once you have done this, you need to now simply answer the questions about your investing experience and then verify your identity. After you have done this, you need to now simply link your bank account, and once your application is reviewed, you can simply open an account in Robinhood. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.